Oh yeah, if you don't have to drive, don't. Travel is definitely discouraged. Now that now that the sun is coming up, we're starting to see a little bit of these roads. A lot of them are in bad shape, especially all through the hill country. Okay, let's take a look. We've got an impact alert is in effect. Impact alert is in effect. We went the wrong way there. Sorry about that. Weather impact alert. And basically for today, it's because of the travel issues this morning. So keep that in mind. We've got significant icing going on out there. We had a lot of freezing drizzle, freezing rain, some sleet thunderstorms overnight. And so accumulations are there. So the best thing you can do is stay at home, watch KENS 5, go to KENS 5 Plus and also KENS5.com. Okay, right now until noon, we've got an ice storm warning in effect. What does that mean? That means that overnight we picked up about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch of ice. And as you saw, Jeremy Baker, the roads are in terrible shape. So not just the bridges, but also the roads are in bad condition with all the icing that's going on in the ice storm warning area. And that goes until noon. Also, we've got a winter storm warning until noon for counties along 90, including Bexar County and all these counties down to the south and east. The roads are probably not as bad as the hill country. I think most of the roads are okay, but it's those secondary bridges that are going to give you lots of problems. Temperatures are below freezing. We picked up frozen precip overnight in the form of freezing rain and also maybe a little bit of some sleet as well. So travel is not recommended in the warning area this morning, and that goes until noon. Okay, here's what I think is going to happen. Sometime this morning, let's say about 8 o'clock, the sun is going to start coming out. We're going to see lots of sunshine today, and temperatures by noon will be around freezing. High today, anywhere from 33 to about 35, 36 in the city. So we're going to have a couple of things going on. One is called sublimation, and that the wind takes that ice right from solid into a gas. That's going to be happening today. Also, the solar radiation from the sun, even though we won't be much above freezing, that radiation is going to go to work on that ice. And so I think a lot of it is going to dissipate. Problem is, I'm sure in the warning area, the winter storm warning area from Bexar County south and eastward, overnight tonight, there will likely be a refreeze. And so we'll see some bad conditions, kind of spotty. In the hill country, completely different situation. Picked up way too much precipitation. So even though we're going to have some solar radiation, yeah, we're going to have some travel problems Monday morning throughout the hill country. There's no doubt about that, especially on the bridges. Okay, so we've got a lot of cloud cover. Here's the good news. The main upper level system is kicking through, just a few little light showers left over from Cuero north and eastward. Okay, most of the ice accumulation was across eastern portions of Bandera County, through Kerr County, and also into Kendall, southern portions of Blanco County and Comal County, northwestern and northern portions of Bexar County. There was some swaths here of some higher accumulation of ice from Wilson County into Gonzales County, northern portions of Karnes County as well, picking that up, and then kind of light from Cuero down to Victoria. So especially, I would say, travel on the roads, really bad from eastern portions of Bandera County through Kerr County, Kendall, parts of the northern portions of Bexar County into Comal, and also Hayes County, picking up quite a bit of ice. And taking a closer look, yeah, more to the north in Bexar County, not as much to the south, and also to the east. Okay, temperature outside right now, we're sitting at 23 degrees, Lackland's at 25, New Braunfels 22, Bulverde's at 20. These are the looks at most of the temperatures in the 20s this morning. It is a cold one. Wear your Carhartt, wear your gloves, something to protect your face. And here's the main reason why. Look at these wind chills, single digits through the hill country. We're at single digits. Feels like 9 degrees outside right now. Feels like 13 Seguin, not quite as cold to the south, but still cold there. And look at all this. I mean, just more cold off to the north. Why is that important? Because with this kind of a pattern, notice how everything's kind of going north to south. That's going to keep us really chilly all week long. I'll show you the 14-day here in just a second. Okay, high today, 33, 34, maybe 35, not getting above freezing in the hill country. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to see a low of 19, 12 degrees for a low temperature up in Kerrville, so not much improvement. Cedar is moderate, molds are light. Here's your 14-day. Tomorrow, cold start, 19, impact day again because of the cold, 38, 19 again for a low on Tuesday morning, high 48. And then as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, we try to thaw out 50s, but look, we don't get much above the 50s, and 40s over the weekend. So that 40 is going to last all the way through next weekend as well. So we've got a long stretch of cold weather.